What's up guys? Here us again vlogging. Nandito kami ngayon sa British Virgin Island, Tortola guys.
Virgin Cruise also with us.
Sisilap lang tayo konti guys.
We have very shortage of time, but then too we are managing it to making a vlog. It's very difficult task to make a vlog, but we are trying our best to explore the city.
Yes.
And show you the best out of it. So you can see over there the houses at the mountain. It's very good place. I have been in the morning since Dennis did not had a break. I visited this place. I told Dennis that it is a good place, so let's have.
So, papasok tayo dito sa ano guys, market. Yeah, parang local.
Sorry to say that we do not have Wi-Fi at this port. The Wi-Fi is there if you buy anything like beer,
yeah,
or cold drink, anything else. So you can get a Wi-Fi free for 1 hour. I asked in the morning.
How much for the beer?
Beer was $3 for $1 beer.
Yun nga guys, walang libreng wifi dito. Pero kung bibili kayo ng beer for $3 I think. $3?
Yeah, $3
So much man. So bibili kayo ng So bibili kayo ng beer, meron kayong wifi dito. So here now, you can see just like a small town. You can see here too much boutique. Ganda dito guys kasi parang small town lang siya. Bali ang city, nandun pa yung city. Ikot-ikot muna tayo dito guys. Mga bahay guys, nasa bundok. Yun know?
Hey, what's up buddy?
Guys, medyo matamlay yung vlog natin ngayon kasi naantok pa si Ox. Galing pa siya ako sa cabin eh. Di sana ako lalabas ngayon kasi ano, maikli lang yung oras. Pero lumabas na lang ako kasi sabi daw nila maganda. Ano nga, maganda nga. So punta tayo ng ano guys, bilihan ng mga cup. May titingnan tayo, baka makapili tayo ng mga cups doon. Marami dong maganda eh. So papasok tayo dito guys. What time is it na?
1 hour later.
So ayun guys, wala tayong napili kasi mapili tayo sa gamit eh. Balik na kami. Napakalaki na ano guys, Virgin. Yung Virgin Cruise pupunta sa Virgin Island.
So guys, we are again boarding to a cruise. This is a small bar. This island is very expensive as per me because $3 for 1 beer is not worth, and they are giving only 1 hour Wi-Fi. So we don't have other option and we have to board again to the ship at 5 o'clock. So I'll give a view of our ship and a Virgin ship.
So siyempre guys, hindi mapagpatalo yung ship natin, di ba? Oh, ang ganda.
Place is good but very expensive, that's it. So now we are heading to our security. Just show our crew card and we are inside the port. So guys, this is our crew card.
Doon nyo guys na hindi mawawala yung crew pass nyo kasi pag mawawala, impas kayo.
Virgin Island.
So ayun lang. So balik na tayo sa ating bahay. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.
Ouais, qui fait dire là, tout correct. It's fine, isn't it? Yeah.